Good morning, guys. I have so much updating to do for you guys, and the lighting is absolutely horrible. Not sure how much of a difference that made. Anyways, we are once again in a new place, and the reason for that is, I was going to show this clip, but I'm not going to now, and that was that we were going to be buying a place. That's why we moved from the house that we were in the first place. We moved into that house, and after only 6 weeks of living in there, well, it was an old mobile home that we were renovating. And after only 6 weeks of living in there, we were all starting to feel really sick, had major headaches, were feeling nauseous to the point where I thought I was pregnant again. And I took a couple tests and they were negative, and I was like, what the heck is going on? The kids were not feeling good. Gunnar wasn't sleeping through the night anymore. He wasn't sleeping really at all. And when we finally complained about it enough, we finally managed to get the air quality checked, and we found out that we had gotten carbon monoxide poisoning. And the guy said that we were actually lucky to be alive. So we were like, wow, that was a lot worse than what we were expecting it to be. So we backed out from buying that place and moved very quickly, short notice. We managed to get a place from Jacob's boss and have now been in here for a week today. A week today is when we started moving, but yeah. And instantly we just felt a huge difference. The kids are happy again. I'm sleeping. Gunnar is sleeping. Everyone is happy. No more headaches. So we're thankful to be in a place that we have. That's why I thought I'd give you that little update. Gunnar, hey buddy. He is 8 months old today. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe he's already 8 months old. Ramona. Oh. Owie?
Owie?
I'm surprised that he's not crying right now. That was a solid bang. Mona, careful. What are you giving him? And then here's my Bella. Say hey, we haven't seen everybody in so long. And now what do you have? Talk nicely. Yeah. Pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
Also, we have officially, we have officially decided to homeschool Bella. She is doing kindergarten, so I just got the curriculum in, and we have been at it now for a week. She's going to do day 6 today, and she's doing really well, really well. And I'm excited for this journey, and I'm going to try to keep you guys updated on how it's going and share that. Anyway, so I just put Gunnar down for his nap, and I've been sitting here doing schoolwork with Bella. I got her an actual school desk off a buy and sell page for only 30 bucks. And that way I have kind of her school area, you know. And anyways, she just did activity time where they just do something fun. And tell me, what did you draw?
Mommy, Daddy, Gunnar, Mona, Bella, Daddy.
And what's down there?
Romeo.
Romeo, our cat, right?
Yeah.
Did a good job. So do you want Mommy to write down beside them so that we remember who is who?
No, that's your Mommy, that's Daddy. That's
is that Mommy?
No, that's Daddy, Mommy.
Okay, let's get
Bella,
Mona.
Mona, Gunnar.
Okay, so let's write, should we write Mom here so we know?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's Mom.
Yep.
And this is Dad.
Yep.
Okay. Dad.
And Bella.
Mona, move your head. Bella.
And Ramona.
Ramona.
And Gunnar.
Okay.
And Romeo.
Romeo.
Romeo. There.
Good job. You did a good job. Was that fun?
Yeah.
I love how she put my head sideways, like, what the heck? You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the curriculum we do. We do Abeka. It's glaring really bad. Anyway, so then it does one subject at a time. Like when the one is done, it kind of goes out of it, goes back to the main menu. And so you finish up the work and go to the next one. That's how you go through. So, yeah. No. So, this was fun. I got a new family picture. I might have to stick this one on the fridge.
That's like my number one.
Yeah. Anyway.
This is coffee.
And you have coffee. Yum.
And there's how much you doing?
There's our kitten. Can't see him really well. He's 50% Persian. It's from our friends. They have a purebred Persian cat that they brought here from Mexico. And that's where they used to live. And they just bred her with a regular farm cat. And yeah, so then they gave us a kitten. And I love him. Ramona, come here. Gunnar is sleeping. You don't need to wake him up. Understand?
Cat's toy.
Here's the cat's toy.
Yep.
A little mousey.
No.
There, then they can see.
And
That mouse is a little bit torn up, but that cat loves this little guy. Absolutely disgusting, but he loves it. He'd be a good mouser, I think. What you doing? You silly goose? I mean, silly cat, right? His name is Romeo.
Yeah.
Anyway, we will continue on with our schoolwork here. It is 5 to 11. We'll see. There's 3 more subjects left for today. So we'll see how this goes. Well, while Bella continues schoolwork, I have laundry to do. Nice basket full, and with where we live now, the washer and dryer are in the basement. So I have to lug this thing downstairs with one hand so that I can vlog. Isn't this great? The things we do for a video. Haha. Okay. Lighting down here is not that great. Let's turn on the other light. Okay. Going through. Okay. Oh, shit. That's right. I had to call Jacob this morning because I came downstairs to wash my bed sheets because Gunnar had a poop explosion in my bed beside me. It was great. So I came down to wash them and I noticed this. A big puddle of water by the washer. So I called her and I'm like, what's going on? And then anyways, I figured out that the water pump wasn't working. So I had to go and fix it, which was basically turning on a switch that I didn't realize needed to be on. And done. Okay. Oh, and I'm totally gonna forget my clean sheets. Okay. We all have our beautiful angles. Am I right? Laundry's going again. And now I am having a coffee. Got my coffee made. I am out of K-cups for my Keurig, so I am using this. It works, it's just not as quick, you know. Anyway, oh, I'm sorry, I'm really out of breath. I hate stairs, absolutely hate them, but I have no choice right now since my laundry is downstairs. I have to do laundry, which means now I'm especially up and down the stairs more often because of that. It's not bad for me, I just hate it. I taste test to make sure it's sweet enough. I'm not the only one who does that, right? Okay, it's not morning anymore, but it works. Goodness, I am really bad at holding my camera still. Turn the light off with my elbow. Can I do it? Yeah, I did it without spilling my coffee. So the girls just finished oatmeal for lunch. They both really wanted oatmeal. I don't know, lately they've had a bit of an obsession with that. So anyway, and it's quite hot today. Sorry, I keep putting the camera down. It is quite hot today. So the kids were getting pretty cranky. I had a shower earlier and I understand that feeling. And getting freshly rinsed and everything just helps a lot. Gets the stickies off, you know? So we are having bath time. Goodness. Are you happy?
Cookies.
You're making cookies?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. You're just so happy.
He smells my cookies.
Oh, that's okay. Your cookies are wet anyways. I love seeing how happy they are in here. Oh my goodness.
No.
Oh, he's allowed to splash. Relax. Yeah. Isn't that cool? That's so cool.
Yeah.
What's this? So fun. I have to make our bed. This is that amazing foam topper that we put on top of our mattress. Yeah. Can't go to bed till this is on, so anyway, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that it took so long to get another vlog up, but we didn't have internet for a while. We were going through different phases of life and we didn't have internet for a while, and now we do, so now I can upload again. So thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. And I'll talk to you in our next video. Good night.